It's Kids Casino. I love food.
So hi guys, and it's Kids Casino, and today we're making some organic tomato Sawsawan. There's some organic tomatoes here, and this is some we've got.
I love tomatoes. I'm a big
cherry
fan.
tomatoes, and just cut it up. It's organic,
Yes.
organic.
I love organic.
So
If you do it the all way round, it says kin nag or oro.
So we're gonna add some soy sauce and vinegar.
Yeah, but only do like a sprinkle of it.
Not too much.
Just a
Soy
tiny bit.
sauce or vinegar.
No, you don't do. You're supposed to do, like put it on the lids and then take it all over like that. So that's what happens. You just stick it all over the place. No, that's too much. Then you put some vinegar as well.
Some
You
vinegar.
first put some inside here. That. Then one you put a little bit more. And then you put black pepper inside. But we can do that later. We can do that later. Because we are Kids Casino and
then you just mix it up like this.
black
You
pepper.
mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix
And
it.
then you start
You add
the
some
black
black pepper. Not too much.
okay. Then you
Mix
shake
it,
it,
mix
shake
it,
it,
mix
shake
it.
it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. You don't mix it because you're not having spoon to mix it. You shake it, shake it, shake it. So that's how you make soy sauce.
Organic tomato Sawsawan.
But people say it like this: organic tomatoes, sour and vinegar, soy sauce with tomatoes, black pepper. So that's how you do it.
This is what it looks like whole, but you just cut them in half. It's organic. Organic.
Organic. Or you could say kinagoro. Kinagoro. You can say it like that backwards. That's how you say organic backwards. I think, maybe. I don't know. But
So,
bye.
bye guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm just going down and put a thumbs up and bye.
We love you.
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and like to Kids Casino.
We love food.